Welcome to today's news update. Here are the 12 top stories we are covering today. st4laker added to PyPI. st4laker has been added to the Python package index, PyPI. MundiX CLI 2.3.2. MundiX CLI, an AI-powered autonomous pentesting agent for Kali Linux, has been released. This intelligent terminal-based copilot features a multi-tier AI architecture with specialized models for planning, exploitation, and analysis, allowing for full autonomous pentesting with a 6-phase methodology. The tool offers various features, including interactive conversation, parallel skill execution, pre-built attack skills, and threat intelligence integration. CV request. IO_URING ZCRX freelist OOB write. A Linux kernel vulnerability has been identified in the IO_URING subsystem, allowing an out-of-bounds OOB write. The issue arises from a lack of bounds checking in the freelist handling during page_pull_destroy, when two paths simultaneously push to the same freelist. This can lead to a write 4 bytes past the end of the kcalloc'd array into adjacent slab objects, potentially exploitable with C_admin privileges and an MLX5 ConnectX 6 ZCRX network interface. MundiX CLI 2.3.6. MundiX CLI, an AI-powered autonomous pentesting agent for Kali Linux, has been released. The tool features a multi-tier AI architecture and offers 23 pre-built attack skills, as well as smart auto-fix capabilities and threat intelligence enrichment. It can be installed via quick install or manual installation methods. I tested dual boot, WSL2, and VMs to run Linux apps on Windows, and only one was worth keeping. A Windows user tested various methods to run Linux apps on their PC, including WSL2, virtual machines, and dual boot. The results showed that only WSL2 is worth keeping for tinkering with Linux-related tasks on a Windows 11 PC, offering ease of access and reliability. Dual boot was previously the best option, but is now mainly suitable for running games on Linux. MundiX CLI 2.3.3. MundiX CLI, an AI-powered autonomous pentesting agent for Kali Linux, has been released. The tool features a multi-tier AI architecture and can perform full autonomous pentesting with a 6-phase methodology, including planning, exploitation, and analysis. It also includes interactive conversation capabilities and pre-built attack skills. PySlate, a Raspberry Pi 5 handheld Linux cyberdeck with a 5-inch 1280 by 720 touchscreen display. Carbon Computers has introduced the PySlate, a handheld Linux cyberdeck built around the Raspberry Pi 5. The device features a 5-inch 128/0720 touchscreen display, backlit RGB keyboard, and 10,000 mAh battery for up to 3 to 5 hours of use. It also supports modular expansion for various hats and includes cooling support, antenna mounts, and an optional kickstand. MundiX CLI 2.3.1. MundiX CLI, a terminal-based pentesting copilot for Kali Linux, has been released. This AI-powered tool features a multi-tier architecture with specialized models for planning, exploitation, and analysis, allowing users to run autonomous pentests with 6-phase methodology. It also includes interactive chat functionality, parallel skill execution, and auto-fix capabilities. CV request. IO_URING ZCRX freelist OOB write. A Linux kernel security issue involving an out-of-bounds heap write in IO_URING/ZCRX. A C has been identified, allowing for a potential 4-byte write into adjacent slab memory. The vulnerability affects multiple stable and downstream distribution kernels and was addressed in commit 770594E on April 21, 2026, but did not receive a CVE or formal security advisory. Show HN, Super ISO Updater. Super ISO Updater is a tool that automates the process of checking for and installing updates to various ISO files, primarily designed for use with Ventoy drives. It features automatic updates from official sources, checksum and signature verification, flexible organization and configuration options, and support for a wide range of operating systems and diagnostic tools. PySlate, a Raspberry Pi 5 handheld Linux CyberDeck with a 5-inch 1920 by 720 touchscreen display. The CyberArch/Carbon Computers company has introduced the PySlate, a handheld Linux CyberDeck built around the Raspberry Pi 5, featuring a 5-inch 128/0720 touchscreen display and a backlit RGB keyboard. It supports modular expansion for various HATs, including LoRa, SDR, AI accelerators, and M.2 storage, and targets penetration testers, IT professionals, and field technicians. Pyramin 5 Pro Max Review, a Raspberry Pi 5 Tower PC case with integrated video and audio capabilities, optional UPS kit. SunFounder has released the Pyramin 5 Pro Max Tower PC case for Raspberry Pi 5, featuring a 4.3-inch capacitive touchscreen display, 5MP camera module, 2 speakers, USB microphone, and 3.5mm audio jack. The case also includes 3 RGB fans and M.2 sockets. A separate UPS hat board, PiPower 5, is designed for Raspberry Pi 0/Model B single-board computers, but can be used with the Pyramin 5 Pro Max. Please like, subscribe, and comment your views on this channel.